I did it. I dyed my hair. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are talking about this color. This is the Clairol Natural Instincts Bold in the color Copper Sunset. I did this on black hair and these are the results. I was so nervous to color my hair, like, oh my God, what if it doesn't turn out right? What if the color doesn't take? What if my hair looks a mess? But when I tell you, the curls are popping like they've never popped before. So I did a campaign on Instagram, no TikTok, with Clairol using these products that they sent to me, and I'm absolutely obsessed with this color. Like, I absolutely love it. But now that I've done this color, I want to go even more bold. So I want to go a little more copper. So I probably am going to lighten it a bit. We'll see. Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe so that you are here for this natural hair color journey. Keep on watching. So a little bit about the color. It does not contain any ammonia. It did come with 3 items. It came with the color cream, the activator, and then the moisture shine mask. So all you do is add the color cream to the activator, shake it up, apply it to your hair, let it sit for 30 to 40 minutes. I let it sit for 60 minutes because I wanted to maximize the color. So I let it sit for 60 minutes. I did add a little heat on top of my plastic cap. And then I went in with the Moisture Shine mask. And then I did do my first wash day using some products from CurlMix. So stay tuned for all of that.
So I am going to be styling and washing my hair with the CurlMix Masters Collection. This is the wash and go system with heavy hold for curly hair. It comes with 4 steps. Step number 1 is the shampoo. Step 2 is the conditioner. Step 3 is a moisturizer. And then step 4 is the flaxseed gel. So the shampoo had great lather. It was very moisturizing, but also cleansing. Definitely left my hair and scalp clean, but also feeling moisturized. It's a great shampoo. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. The conditioner was nice and creamy. It had amazing slip, had my curls popping, and it smells absolutely amazing. It does have a decadent blackberry fragrance for all of the products in the line. Absolutely obsessed with this conditioner. Okay, so this moisturizer could probably be a styler on its own. So creamy, amazing slip. It gave me great definition just with the moisturizer. Another 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Now my hair absolutely loves flaxseed gels, and this one did not disappoint. Now this flaxseed gel does not come with just flaxseed oil. It's actually 100% real organic flaxseed gel, and it works amazing. Again, 10 out of 10, highly recommend.
So again, I'm absolutely loving the color, absolutely loving the results of this wash and go using the CurlMix 4-step system. I do have the new mousse from CurlMix, so I will be using that soon, so stay tuned for that video. Let me know what you think in the comment sections below about this color. Should I lighten it or should I leave it as is? Are you feeling it or not? Make sure you stay tuned to see how I manage and take care of my now color treated natural hair. I'm absolutely here for the journey, absolutely loving it. Hope you guys are loving it too. Make sure that you subscribe if you're not already. Make sure you follow me on all social media if you're not already. Again, hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.